spine. A shadow crawling, stealing time. Every corner of my heart was black. No map, no way, no turning back. But a voice broke through the thunder, pulled me up from endless under.
Rains like a flood, it covers me, washes my chains, sets me free. No matter what I've done or who, through him alone I'm made brand new.
I stood accused by my own hand, built my prison stone and sand. The mirror screamed, the lies were loud, but mercy's whisper drowned the crowd.
Grace like a flood, it covers me, washes my chains, sets me free. No matter what I've done or who, through him alone I'm made brand new.
Forgiven, forgiven, he calls my name. No sin too deep, no soul too stain. The cross it shouts, the stone it rolls.
Through him alone,
He saves my soul.
grace like a flood, it covers me, washes my chains.